Yo, what's going on, guys? It is Prox back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a visco lens on Snapchat. Sort of like it's basically like the lenses and the filters in visco. But yeah, make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and make sure to follow my socials. They'll be in the bottom right there. But yeah, let's get right into the video. So first, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to open up a browser, and first you're going to have Lens Studio downloaded. You can download it on. I'll leave the link in the description below on how to download it. First, you're going to need to open up your browser. And search up like Pinterest or something. Once you open up Pinterest, make sure to look up Visco or Visco filter. Then you could pick any one of these, like see purple skies. You just edit them into Visco. I'm not gonna be doing it on the video today because I already have a filter that a LUT that I'm gonna use. There's this one, lovers. There's a bunch of them. Just scroll through, pick them. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Snapchat post effect. Look that up in Google. And then it'll bring you to this page. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll down till you see download the base lookup table. And then you're going to want to download that. And then once you're done downloading that, you're going to import that to Visco and then edit it from there, if you know what I mean. But yeah, after you're done with that, you're going to close out your browser. And you're gonna hit the plus button up here. You're gonna scroll down till you see color correction, then hit empty, and then go to this little empty thing right here, this little picture. Hit change texture, and then what you want to do is I'm gonna pick my LUT to do this one. You could put it to I usually do 70 or 80 around there. Put it to that, and then you can mess around with the alpha and stuff. And then after that, you could add screen image if you want to add grain. So here I'll add grain. And then if you want to add the grain, you got to go over the resource panel, hit the plus button, and then hold on, sorry. Here it is right here. Cool, you're gonna import your grain. And then for the screen image to add it on, you're gonna hit the screen image and then you're gonna drag the moving grain into the material. And then after that, hit stretch mode and then hit stretch. And then you could mess with the grain size and all that. You could do whatever you want. But I usually put mine around 500 or keep it at 300. So yeah, I'm not gonna be adding grain for this video, but that's just if you guys want to do it. So yeah, and to add the text, you're gonna screen text, and you're gonna do subscribe to or alright, about my typing, sorry about that. And if you want to add a custom font, you could. I use this one. All up to you guys about which one you do. I put the size down to like 20, and I just drag it down. Change the color if you want, whatever you want. Add an outline, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to make it disappear for like for the snap. So you're gonna hit the plus button up here for objects, go down to see helper scripts, and then hit behavior. And then for the behavior, you're gonna watch very closely. For trigger, you're gonna want to scroll down until you see recording start. And then for response type, you're gonna hit destroy object. And then for the object, you're gonna hit this. Then you're gonna find where you put your screen text. You're gonna hit this drop down box. It should be under full frame region. Then just hit the screen text 0, and then boom, it should disappear. So yeah, that's how you guys make a visco filter on Snapchat Lens Studio. If you guys enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate it for the like, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace out, guys.